Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to our next tutorial on core Java. So in this tutorial we will discuss about this substring program. How the substring will identify, that we will discuss here. So for that, here I am creating one new project on the name of substring. So here in this substring I am creating one new package, thumb.substring. Within this, again I am creating one class that is called as substring. So for this, here I am creating one main method. So now here I want to identify substring from this. For that I am creating first string s1 equal to new string of, I am writing simple example Java program. Then what we will see here now, in this I want a substring in the position of 3. So that if I write, I'll write system dot out dot println of 3. So I'm giving this index of 3. Then what happens, we'll see here. I'm running this. So I'm running this program. See, substring, sorry, what I write here, this is directly straightforward, mistakenly I write this, that is s1 dot substring of index 3. What I'll write now here, see, yeah. So from there it should be the substring, means from the third position it should be substring. Like say, I'll write one more substring. I want to create here substring of 2, 9. See, means it is in between those 2 to, means 3rd to 8th. So that should be it. Like this way we can add a substring. When you want to split a strings, you can split like this. Thank you for watching this. Please subscribe to get more updates.